Dan from News 11, and this is the story of the honest woodcutter. Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter who was very honest. He used to cut woods in the forest and sell it in the market for some money. He was very happy with his life. One day, the woodcutter was cutting wood in the forest. The woodcutter was very tired. His palms were filled with sweat and his axe was slipping. His hand slipped and the axe flew from his hand straight into the deep pond. The woodcutter began to cry. The woodcutter was very poor and could not buy another axe. The woodcutter needed an axe to cut wood, and so he sat near the pond in despair and cried. On hearing his cry, God Mercury appeared before him from within the pond. Mercury said, "My child, what has happened? Why are you crying?" The woodcutter said, "My axe has fallen into the deep pond. Without it, I cannot make any more money to eat." Mercury said, "Do not worry, I shall fetch your axe for you." Mercury dived into the pond, and when he came out, he had a golden axe in his hands. Mercury asked the woodcutter, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter was very honest and replied, "No, that is not my axe." Mercury laid the golden axe on the bank and dived inside again. And when he came out, he had a gleaming silver axe on his hand. Mercury asked the woodcutter, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter was very honest and replied, "No, that is not my axe." Mercury laid the silver axe on the bank and dived inside again. And when he came out, he had a wooden axe in his hand. "Is this your axe?" The honest woodcutter replied, "Yes, it is my axe. Thank you so much." Mercury said, "I admire your honesty. I shall give you all these 3 axes." Saying so, Mercury gave him all the 3 axes and disappeared. The woodcutter narrated the tale to all the woodcutter in the village. They grew jealous and they wanted the gold and silver axe. They put their wooden axe in the pot and cried. And when Mercury appeared and showed him the gold and silver axe, they were all dishonest and replied, "Yes, it is my gold and silver axe." Mercury gave them a wide hat over their head and sent them home. They did not get their wooden axe as well. And that's all the story about the honest woodcutter. The moral story of the moral lesson of the story is honesty is the best policy, and the honesty is always rewarded, and dishonesty is always punished. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Eliza and Rodan.